Vision's 2525 CNC router engraver is a low-maintenance machine with a large 25-inch by 25-inch work area. Engrave or route coated and uncoated metals, plastic, wood and other materials. The 2525 is available with a heavy-duty aluminum T-slot or vacuum table. Other options include an auto-raster braille inserter, Unist misting system, DAX print to cut, oscillating knife, and more. Vision offers small desktop-sized engraving machines on up to larger 4 feet by 8 feet router engravers. Manufacturing in the USA since 1983, you can be confident when purchasing a Vision. Contact Vision Engraving and Routing Systems today for a free live online machine demo.